Let's cut to the chase. In 2024, marketing isn't a nice to have, it's oxygen for your business. Invest in it or watch your competitors eat your lunch. The landscape is fiercely competitive. Attention spans are shorter than ever. To win, you need to be heard above the noise. Your product is invisible without marketing. Marketing is your megaphone. It's how you tell the world, hey, we're here and we're awesome. The brands that get this are thriving. They're not afraid to double down on marketing. Consistent investment fuels long term growth. So ask yourself, are you investing enough to be heard? Let's talk about Modelo. This beer brand went from relative unknown to a household name. Their secret, they went all in on marketing. We're talking about a massive $1.2 billion ad spend in just 5 years. Was it risky? Absolutely. But it paid off in spades. Modelo understood that to compete with the big boys, they needed to make a statement. They needed to be bold, to be memorable, and to be everywhere. Their aggressive marketing strategy, featuring high profile sponsorships and captivating ad campaigns, catapulted them to the top. They dominated social media, owned the airwaves, and cemented themselves in consumers' minds. The lesson here is clear: fortune favors the bold. Don't be afraid to make big moves. Invest in your growth and watch your brand soar. Let's address the elephant in the room: risk. Many businesses shy away from increasing their marketing budget. It feels like a gamble. What if it doesn't work? What if we lose money? Here's the reality: the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Playing it safe might feel comfortable in the short term, but it's a surefire way to become irrelevant in the long run. Think of it like this: you can't win a race by standing still. You have to be willing to put your foot on the gas, to push boundaries, and yes, to take calculated risks. The key is to be strategic. Don't just throw money at random tactics. Do your research, understand your audience, and invest in channels that will deliver the highest return on investment. Remember, marketing is an investment, not an expense. When done right, it generates a significant return. Ready to up your marketing game? How much should you spend? Start with 10 to 15% of your projected revenue. It sounds like a lot, but it's an investment. Marketing is the engine of your business. Fuel it properly for best performance. Adjust based on your goals and industry. Track results and make data-driven decisions. Set clear objectives and measure success. Section 5, the bakery that crumbled. A cautionary tale of marketing neglect. Let me tell you about a bakery I knew. They made the most incredible pastries, mouth-watering croissants, decadent cakes, the works. The problem? Nobody knew they existed. They relied solely on word of mouth and foot traffic. No social media, no local advertising, no email list. They were practically invisible in a sea of online noise. As you can guess, their story didn't have a sweet ending. They were forced to close their doors, the delicious creations forgotten. It was a classic case of build it and they will come gone wrong. This story breaks my heart because it happens all the time. Don't let this be you. Invest in your marketing, get your name out there, and give your business the best chance to succeed. Section 6, out of sight, out of mind. Why visibility is king. In the digital age, visibility is everything. You could have the best product or service in the world, but if no one knows about it, it doesn't matter. It's like having a Ferrari stuck in your garage. What's the point? Consumers are bombarded with thousands of messages every single day. To stand out, you need to be omnipresent. You need to be where your customers are, whether it's on social media, search engines, podcasts, or even billboards. The goal is to stay top of mind. When someone needs what you offer, you want them to think of you first. That's the power of consistent strategic marketing. Don't underestimate the importance of building a strong brand presence. This means crafting a compelling brand story. designing eye-catching visuals, and delivering a consistent message across all your marketing channels. Section 7, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your marketing mix. Here's the deal. Relying on a single marketing channel is like putting all your eggs in one basket. If that channel disappears or becomes less effective, you're in trouble. That's why it's crucial to diversify your marketing mix. Experiment with different channels and tactics. Test, analyze, and optimize your approach based on what's working best for your business. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Explore emerging platforms, partner with influencers, or try unconventional marketing methods. The more diverse your approach, the more resilient your business will be. Remember, your customers are everywhere. Meet them where they are and engage with them in meaningful ways. By diversifying your marketing efforts, you'll cast a wider net and reach a larger audience. Section 8, the Unconventional Playbook, winning with unexpected moves. In a world saturated with digital noise, sometimes the most effective marketing strategies are the ones that defy convention. Think direct mail, experiential marketing, or even guerrilla marketing. These unconventional tactics often cut through the clutter because they're unexpected and memorable. They create a sense of surprise and delight, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. Don't be afraid to challenge the status quo. Look for gaps in your competitors' strategies and exploit them. Be bold, be creative, and most importantly, be authentic to your brand. Remember, marketing is all about connecting with your audience on an emotional level. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what resonates best with your target market. Section 9, level up your game. The time to invest is now. We've covered a lot of ground, but the message is clear. Investing in your marketing is not optional. It's the lifeblood of your business, the key to unlocking growth, and the only way to thrive in today's competitive landscape. Don't wait for the perfect time to invest. The best time is now. Every dollar you invest in your marketing is a dollar invested in your future. Remember, marketing is not a cost, it's an investment. And the return on investment can be exponential if you approach it strategically and consistently. It's time to step up, to be bold, and to make your mark on the world. Your customers are waiting. Section 10, ready to dominate. Download the Ultimate Marketing Playbook. Want to take your marketing to the next level? Download our ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing, for advanced strategies, actionable tips, and real-world examples to help you dominate your market in 2024 and beyond. Don't miss out on this opportunity to gain a competitive edge. Click the link below and start building the business of your dreams.